Somebody kept a calling, so I had to answer. And if you's really smart, boy, you best mind your manners.
What's up, guys? Back with another video, and today I'm at like a house. As you can tell, it's right there. So we are doing a tree removal. Like this is like a HOA. You have to like listen, I guess. But this tree is like 50 years old. Or less. These boots are like what? Like 12 inches. So it does run real big, so around 13 inches. So this is like I'm just doing a rough estimate. This is like a 20-inch or around 20 inches or size. No, so there's no size. This is a whole trunk. So basically, end to it's hard to say this, end to end. This is pretty a large tree. So this is, don't know what the lady that lives on this property is Indian. So since Indians are somewhat stingy with their money, we are underpaid. The tree removal and some other stuff that we were doing was like $2,500, but she's paying. She's might pay us like under under $400. Don't know why. This is like a so yeah. This is I just started on. We just started. I started on that small little branch right there. It's the morning time. I had like under 3 hours of sleep. Didn't expect. I kind of did. They've been telling me since last year, before the New Year's, possibly before the New Year's, say that. So it's been almost 2 weeks since the New Year started. So yeah, catch you guys in a little bit after almost basically halfway done. Well, not really. Halfway done with the tree. Let's say that. In terms of the branches, and that's it. So yeah, catch you guys in a little bit. So yeah, this tree as well. No, not a tree removal on this tree here, but like a trim up. The reason why I'm filming this is because I used to work around the beginning of last year. I had a job like a tree care company. I used to work for. So this is like almost like second nature. So yeah, this is like before I started on this tree. So okay, so yeah, guys. I knew when I came to this area. So at the entrance, this had to be like a HOA housing community. Because all the houses here look the same, basically. So yeah, I'm like, well, I'm like almost halfway done with like the tree limb trim up, whatever you want to call it. So I Google up I think something like this. Does HOA allows homeowners to 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 allow tree removal? I struggled. And it said you need to check in, something like that, or something like this. Homeowners need to check in with the HOA. Yeah, something like that. It's like basically asking permission to cut down a tree. In other words, because technically the HOA owns this housing first fertility. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is the limb that I cut down. Just to be honest, when I first came here, I didn't know what to do, or what my grandfather was asking what to do. So when I found out she wanted to cut down the tree, I said, "Oh God, okay." This is like I said in the beginning of the video. It was like a $2,500 job. The tree is like 2,000 ish. If you want to cut down the full grown tree. This is a full grown tree. It is a decent size. It's well over my age. I'm 24 now. So, and some other stuff. Like you see in the background right there, that's gone. The bushes or the hedge is gone. Yeah, when I initially I thought it was like a tree trim up, like tree care type of deal, but the freaking homeowner wanted a tree removed from their property. So initially I thought this limb here cut down, trim. This limb here trim, because it's literally touching the roof right there, the roof line I should say. Cut down or trim up this branch here because it's growing down and it's going towards the house. So yeah, there's a lot of Indians living here. That's my 30th Indian that I've seen so far. And then and just trim up some of these lower branches here. And yeah, the thing kind of goes like a lift up. See how I'm not gonna face it over there. So see how some branches are growing down. Basically, you want it to be like flared out, like like that angle there, instead of that angle, it's going down. You don't want that. And like all the dead branches that you see in amongst this tree here, you want to get rid of those. And yeah, about the homeowner, I don't know if she checked in with the HOA. Yeah, that's why I'm kind of nervous. I'm gonna trim up. I'm gonna continue trimming until my grandfather comes back. That's where we come in the beginning of the video. This lower bench here, cut. You can't hardly see it, but it connects up like up there. This branch is like right there. So yeah, catch you guys in a bit. So yeah, guys. Now I'm gonna cut down the trailer. I know that does not make sense. The man that taught me this, I was confused as well. I was like, in my head, I was like, what the hell is he talking about? So, basically, what he taught me is, I learned it with a gas-powered chainsaw. That's when after you gas-powered chainsaw for almost the first time. So technically, to make it easier for you guys to comprehend what I just said about cutting down the trailer, you technically you need to do is just cut up all the brush and branches that you trimmed, cut it with the chainsaw, and just cut through until you make it flat. I guarantee I will get this this brush, the branches. I mean, this is like what? I'm a 6'3", so this is like what? How high? Like under 8 feet high. Well, some spots, but some is higher. You could hardly see it, but like this branch here, it's higher. It's like closer to 9 feet. So I guarantee I'll bring all this brush, all these branches, like more than halfway down. So catch you guys on the next clip after I'm done with this. So yeah, guys. Yeah, I told you I added another pile. So I told you guys I'll get this more than halfway down, which I did. They have kids out here, or she have kids out here, so I don't want to. And she's out here, so I don't want to show you guys them. So yeah, just want to show you guys this small little thing. Well, not small, but big. So yeah, guys, I'm like over halfway done. In terms of like the branches and stuff like that, but not the trunk itself. But as you can tell over there, the trailer's there, and it's still almost the same height as I showed you guys the last time. But anyways, yeah. So so the branch, okay. So that branch here, there, I mean, is gonna be cut down right now. So yeah, catch you guys in the next clip. So yeah, guys. This tree, this branch is down. That's my grandfather, by the way. You've seen him before in my older videos. That's my grandfather from my father's side. I started chopping up on this side. Still has a lot of moisture because it's dripping, literally. So yeah, this is that branch that I showed you guys from the last clip. This is the one of the first branches that I cut off this tree. So yeah, I keep on saying so yeah or yeah, mostly so yeah. So yeah, see what I mean? I said yeah. So yeah, I'm almost done. We are almost done. The last branch that we need cut is right there, and that's it. Then probably, my grandfather said I don't have to come to help him when he's cut down the trunk itself. So yeah, catch you guys in the next clip. Okay, whoever's new, subscribe, please. I would love you guys to subscribe to me. I'm trying to get to like 500 subscribers at this point now. Share this video with your friends and family. Tell them to subscribe. I would love that. Comment down below what you guys want me to do, whatever. So yeah, love you guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. Love you guys. I already said that. Don't know why. Bye.
Kept calling, so I had to answer.